How to see a card number on Bank of America application. To download your Bank of Account application, you can easily get it from your Play Store or App Store. Make sure that it is up to date and you have downloaded the latest version. Now, first step is to log into your Bank of America account. Enter your user ID and your password. You can save your user ID or set up your Face ID as well. If you have forgotten your credentials, tap on Forgot ID or Forgot Password and follow the instructions given to you. Once you are logged in into Bank of America application, you will see an interface like this. To see your card number on Bank of America, you can just go ahead and select the option of Menu. When you tap on Menu, select the option of Payment Method. Once you tap on Payment Method, you will find all of the credit card that is linked to your Bank of America. Just select the one that you want to see your card number. In your card setting, you will see an card interface something like this. You will notice that your card setting actually have only the 4-digit of the end number of your credit card and the rest of others are in the X's given to you like this. Even sometimes your name will be hidden. This is because bank wants to secure your information for yourself as well. This is for the security reason and they do not want any of the information to link through your credit card number. So to see your credit card number, you actually have to access to your physical card, but you will not be able to see it in the virtual card. And that's a wrap for this video as well. We hope it was informative to you.